In a small project, see whatever the programs you compile or whatever the examples you compile to solve some problem, or whatever
Hmm.
the code you write in C to solve some problem, they are very basic programs. They will have only
Yeah.
one C file and one, yeah, there will be main.c defined, and the all the problem will be solved in that main.c. Okay.
Hmm.
Consider you have a large application, for example, SMS application. SMS application is little complex. It will not have a single C file. Yeah, normally on Android it will be done by Java, but if you want to write it in C, it is not a single file. It will be divided into multiple files. Okay, I will show you one example. Have you heard of MPlayer? Nitish and
Use
Masud, have you heard of MPlayer? MPlayer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, I think I have the source code. Yeah, let's download the source code of the MPlayer. Okay, that's an open source media player. That is a complex application. I will just show you how that application is divided, how many C files are there, and how it will be like. And actually, these source codes will be developed by many people, thousands of people. They will contribute to a single source code repo. Each and individual will develop their own files, and they will be integrated finally. Okay,
Hmm.
I need it for Linux, right? Yeah, let me download this file, copy link location. Yeah, in Linux, we can download from the command line also. It will be much faster. You can see that, right? It is downloading.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am using this command to download wget. Wget
Hmm.
and the link. Where is the web link? You can see, right? It's a 15 MB source code. Total size is 15 MB. Whatever the code we write is actually 1 KB or 2 KB.
2 KB. Yes, sir. Hmm.
I will extract this. You can extract in the other way also. I will show you. Once if it is downloaded, go to this file. This is the file that I downloaded. Right click on this,
Hmm.
extract here, like Windows.
Ah.
Okay. So you can see, right, how many C files are there? I will just list out the C files, okay? CD MPlayer.
Yes.
This is MPlayer. Find dot minus name star dot C. Okay. And go. Yeah, you can see, right? How many C files are there? Thousands of C files, right?
More than 25 people. More. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These many C files are there, and they will be compiled. See, for example, whatever this is, FFmpeg is called as it's a codec. Okay, it's a codec, and all the codec related C files are combined with the FFmpeg library while compiling, so that other applications also can use
Hmm.
it. Okay, you heard of Fetch264 number MP4?
No, sir.
Okay, leave it.
No, sir.
Okay, these many C files are there. I just wanted to tell you. I will just compile this. Okay. See, these are scripts which are automated. When you are building large number of source code, the compilation will be automated by the scripts. Okay, you don't need to know this one deeply as at this point of time. I will explain you at some other point of time. Okay, you just see how I am going to build an
Okay.
player. I just downloaded the source code and I executed /configure script and I will do compilation. So compilation is going on now. So you can see here, right? CC is the command which is being run here. Instead of GCC, they are using CC. At the end, you can see .c file. C file is being compiled.
Hmm.
I will show you the log. Wait. After the compilation is done. So many C files are there. It is compiling.
Yes, sir. Each and every file is getting compiled now, sir.
Yeah. I will help you how to build an MP3 player like this. Okay. This is for desktop, fine. Ubuntu is fine. But
Okay.
consider you purchased a mobile and or you purchased a board and you compiled your own MP3 player and put it into that and listening the song from that. That will be something exciting. I will tell you about all these things in detail in future sessions. Okay. Just see how many C files and how
Okay,
they
sir.
are getting compiled. Okay. This is a large project, and this source code is written by thousands of people just to donate to open source community. It will complete now.